Let us show you how to properly freeze cream cheese for a longer shelf life with this quick and easy guide. Freezing cream cheese. For opened cream cheese, use foil and paper for sealing and wrapping your cream cheese. This technique helps avoid a possible freezer burn. Make sure to double wrap before placing it securely in a plastic container. This ensures better protection in order to prevent air and moisture. For an opened cream cheese, as they often already come wrapped in foil or cardboard wrapping, you can simply place them directly in the freezer. How to thaw frozen cream cheese. When you're ready to use your cream cheese, all you have to do is remove it from the freezer, transfer to another container, and let it sit at room temperature for a few hours. You can also defrost it overnight in the refrigerator. If you're in a rush, simply put it inside a Ziploc bag and place it in a bowl of warm water, letting it thaw for about 30 minutes. Make your cream cheese soft and creamy once more with the help of these simple methods. Microwave method. Simply put it in a microwave on medium heat for about 10 seconds. Stir it well, put it back in the microwave, and repeat this process until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. You can also do the stovetop method by placing a bowl on top of a saucepan filled with boiling water. Place the cream cheese in the bowl, then stir and whisk until creamy. Now feel free to go ahead and freeze your cream cheese sticky for your future baking or cooking projects. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.